hit your friend, hit your fun. Dying to tell you how I feel before you go. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let you have your way. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. If you had to wait up for me, would you wait? Broke down on the road, would you be my AAA? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, on my wheels and call me castaway. If I bought you roses, babe, what would you say? If I was here to catch you, would you have the faith? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, on my wheels and call me castaway. Breathing slow, feeling your hands tied to my arm. Guess it's a dream, 'cause baby, I'm still alone. We don't have to go out, I'd rather just hang out, get you one-on-one. We don't have to go out, just want you to know now that you're all I want. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let you have your way. Hey. Oh, oh.
What's up, fellas? Welcome to my vlog. Today we are here in Sipalay, and the area that I'm showing you right now is the back area sa bahay ng aking tita and lola. Yes, my mother is from here, from Occidental, and as you can see, guys, the weather right now is not good because there's typhoon coming in pala. Sana lang titigil ang ulan so that we could still enjoy our 2 days escape.
Ay, lubaan. Paano to? Lubaan, Sipalay, Bacolod. Oh. O, diretso, pag lumagay tayo ba? Dili. Dawat. Ay, oh. Ah, wala. Bayawan gani, wala. Ay, Diyos ko! Basta ako lubot. Oh.
Good morning, guys. Today is our second day here in Occidental, and right now we are finally here in Tinagong Dagat. So as you can see, guys, I'm not looking at you in the camera. It's because this is just a voiceover. Yes, this is just a voiceover. So I wanted to film our travel from Dumaguete up to here in Occidental, but for some reason I was not able to because I am tired and a lot of things happen. So next time na lang, diba? There's always a next time. So guys, this is the place. This is Tinagong Dagat, and it's been 8 years since my last visit. I really miss this place. Oh, though the weather is not cooperating, but look at the area. It's worth the visit, guys, even if the weather is bad. So let's go inside and let's pay for our entrance fee. So yeah, as you can see, the area is so clean and beautiful. That's my boyfriend and my mom. Yeah. And as you can see, guys, there's just a few people here right now because again and again the weather is bad. So yeah, medyo lumagpas tayo doon. Okay, let's go upstairs. And there's this place where they entertain and accept their customers.
Okay, so karon padulong namin dito sa Pikas. Usog na yung hangin and mao na yung magitumban ron. Sa una itong pag-anihin na mo diri 2014 na 2014 na pa na diray ko an isa cottage nga tarong. I mean mga tulo pa naka-cottage din ha, din ay pool. Pero naguba siguro. Loy. Di ko ka-imagine saan nakataas ang tubig di sa una itong pag-udet lem. Diba? Tingha. Oh, dira. Sige na ang view din ha. Ano? View. Okay. So let's go. Proceed. Okay. So si mama nagpabilin ras babaw kay gaulan man. I mean, at least hinay-hinay ng ulan, murag taligsik na lang. Sa una dili ing ani kataas ang tubig oh. Na karon taas na. Okay. Delikado kayo no kay uli ali diri oh. Oo, dito. Imagine pag kuan, ma-slide ka. Hala. Hala ka draplem. Ka draplem. Magdanlog man na. Ha? Igpis kayo no. Ko hadlok mo ko eh. Okay, well. Usa ni siya sa akong mga weaknesses. Karang musubay mga ingani. Like mahadlok yun ko. Or before, hanging bridge pa ni dere. Ato sa. Diyos ko. Hanging bridge pa ni dere before. Ay, kamalam. Mahadlok kay kong ingani bitaw oy. Mahadlok kay kong ingani. Kakusog sa hangin. Ha? Buyag, buyag. Overthink ko ka. Hindi na mahitabo. Katong hanging bridge pa na din ha. Kanang naka-blue. Ay, blue-brown. Blue na sa unang hanging bridge. Ilahan nag nipis ka ayo pagod. Tabo ilahang. Oo. Oh, kana dira gi hanging bridge na nila ambot na rin ko nireklamo. Ha? Ilahang ko an kay mo siya dili ko no mo di kasaliga no. No na po. Hala isa na lang pagid pagabot din ha. Paita eh. Wa kan hadlok?
Tunog pa ko na yung kahon.
Oh. Nakabati pag udani kay ano pag ang tubig ba? Lalong kayo. Dana.
By the way, guys, we are heading to Latasan Beach Resort, other part of the resort, but still the same owner pa rin. And I've been there, guys, and the view is stunning. Welcome to Latasan Island Resort.
Siya din ang view kaganiha. Ay, di din na rin makita. Almost there! Look, sada kay Dre, oh. Ba? Bisanog init ang panahon, no? Dira ka mag-onday ka dahil magkahoy. No? Okay, sa itong lugar. Murag-rong na ba ng dalan? Mani. Mutigang na lang ta. Agay. Saka na lang ta, Dre, oh. Ya. Ali.
Wow.
Whew. We're here. Wow, Latasan. There he is. Sukay hangin. Labit. Ha? Gapot namin din eh. Ano na siyang view. Gapot namin din eh. Kana, makita ni mo bang resort. Kana. Grabe kakapoy. Tapos there. Kana. Very nice. Very, very nice. Whew. Yes, maura niya ang view. Then, daghan naman pag-pool din. Kung gusto mo maligo. Yan na. Gusto mo maligo. Ano siya. But, you have to bring your own food. Kaya wala sila yung food din he. So, dira may gikan. Kana. Hay, daloya. Yeah. Makita ninyo. So, dira may gikan. Yeah, may gikan. Then, agi may ng bridge din ha. Then, gasugod ng baha dito. I don't know if makita ba ninyo. Ang tubig sa dagat kaya nalubog na siya. Gasugod na siya medyo brown. Kabalo ka nang nilayat pa ta dito. Dara na stairs dire. Oh, first time ni mo dire, diba?
Huh?
Ano sabi kasulti?
I've been here many times.
Nye!
Don't believe her.
This is your first time being here. Don't lie.
No, it's not. I've been here in my dreams. You.
Sana all. Nice ka niyo. Diba? Diba ha?
Oh, mama ni maasin sa tapit.
Si mama, naaro dito tagikan. Kusog kayong hangin, no?
Saan? Lalo sa tayo.
May gani ni hunong ang ulan. May gani. Yes, dito na po siya ikuan. Isa ka room. Pwede ka dra mag-stay. And this is a place. Ano siya. Okay.
Alright guys, the plan today is to go back to Dumaguete. But since mag 2 p.m. na and the last na trip sa bus from Hinubaan to Dumaguete is 3 p.m. So from here, from Sipalay to Hinubaan, it would take an hour para makarating ka sa Hinubaan. So basically, we don't have time left na. So instead, we go back here sa barangay nila Lola para dito na rin magpalipas ng gabi. So bukas na kami uuwi ng Dumaguete. Yep, and honestly guys, we are so hungry because there's no food in Tinagong Dagat. yun nga, if you wanted to visit the place, you have to book an appointment at you have to bring your own food na din. Okay?
Malakas ang ulan eh.
Stress na ako. Ano ba lang ang nila pagpahayagan na kang flashlight ko?
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and it's 6 a.m. and we are finally heading back to Dumaguete. And look what happened here, guys.
Hala, kusugan na sa baha. Oh, ahak. Hala, unsa na ba yung tubig atong sa paaron? Makaanod naman na pa. Okay. Naluuya.
Alright, guys. So, right now, we are waiting for the bus. Kasi nga, magbabus kami from here to Dumaguete. Yep. And it's still raining.
Waiting for the cherries. Ako ra lantaw. Silong ito. La pa? Ako ra gani lantaw. Lubol. La lantaw sa ako sa sapa ito oh. Lantaw sa ako sa sapa ito. Ubang ka? Lantaw mi sa sapa ato.
Ayaw, bala dito na oh.
Where? Huh?
Talin naman.
Ah, oh. Lain ha, delikado ka nilang balay diya, oh. Ana, pag maninod ang ulan, alangoy gid. Hindi naman kayo kusugod. Diba?
Yep.
Okay. Ah, wala naman kayo ni taas.
Kaya yun lang biya ulit.
Oh, karon na lang man po ni siya ni balik kay katong pag-ulan sugod.
Ako na. Ako ra gyapon.
Alas 5 ha? Hindi na to sumama diri mo atang oh. Flood area. So, wala ano diri ron sa ihang sapa. No? Ah, ang kuya nakaayo ko diri na no? Di na gina.
Ulang tabang.
Ang grabe ha. Nakuha po guys ang sapa diri no?
So good.
Dito po tikas, pati po nakuha. RRMO. Emergency. Command vehicle. Alas 6 na waay pa. What time na? Okay.
Pwede ka nang isa.
Walk away.
Bado.
Series is here. Mo ba na? Blue ba to?
Oh, pero what ako pala ba sa mga buro ba?
Ako na mo para. Advance. Last time ra ba? Wako para itong sa kuan. Standing?